This is Cat S53, and today I would like to show how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So first order of business is to launch the Settings app, then enter the Network and Internet category. In here go for the Wi-Fi section, then tap at the network you are currently connected to, assuming that is the network you would like to share, of course. Then at the network details page, tap at the share option over here. And as you can see, the following page will reveal the actual Wi-Fi password right over here, as well as provide you with the QR code that you can further scan with any other device you were intending to share this network with. And the aforementioned device, should it be smartphone or tablet, will be automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.